Hi friends, I bought a new computer, Windows is pre-installed, and now I switch it on and it says, let's add your Microsoft account. But I don't want to do it. And this time I found out how to not do it and wanted to show it to you. Once you see this screen, let's add your Microsoft account, you type Shift F10 and then a console will show up. In the console, you type start ms-cxh : local only and type enter, and then you're presented with a new graphical user interface where you can enter just the username and the password, and that's it. Now, if you know me, my next question will be how do we install Linux on that computer and make it more power efficient and make sure that it will also run in 100 years with the same operating system. And if you want to see that, watch my next video. Thank you.